Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the chapter number 6, that is logical Venn diagram, and this is the introduction part of logical Venn diagram. First of all, we have to understand what is a Venn diagram. That means what is a Venn diagram? So Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a classes representing items. Venn diagram consists of two or more circles. Now what does it mean? It means with the help of Venn diagram we can represent so many kind of classes, but what is the relationship between in between those classes, we'll have to discuss about that is all about Venn diagram. With the help of a few Venn diagram, the representation of Venn diagram is done with the help of these circles. Here I mentioned few kinds of Venn diagrams which will help us to understand what kind of a question will ask in this particular chapter and how we will solve, how we will deal with the given questions. First of all, come and try to understand the representation of a Venn diagram. See, here I mentioned that gas, liquid and solid, these three things are represented with the help of a circle that is called Venn diagram. Now, what is the relationship between solid, gas, and liquid? These three, if you mention a circle for if you mention a circle for a class, that means you are talking about gas. So gases are a different kind of format. Similarly, liquid are a different kind of a format, and solid is also a kind of a different kind of a format. So we can say that in all the three things, gas, liquid, and solid, they don't have any kind of a relationship. So that's why we will represent gas, liquid and solid in a different circles. Now come to the next one. Here I mentioned that this is another Venn diagram. It represents female and doctors. So some part of this circle is involved in some part of this circle. That means they are colliding or they are cutting to each other. Why they are cutting and what is this part? See, here it is mentioned this circle represents the whole feminine, the whole females, and this circle represents the whole doctors. So we can say that some females are doctor also, or we can say that some doctors are female also. That's why these two circles are cutting each other. That means this circle represents this part of Venn diagram represents some females are doctor also. Now come to the next one. In this here it is mentioned that shirt, cloth and this is car. So we can say that this if any circle is come inside a circle, that means the whole, we will take the whole part, whole shirts, as we know that shirts are made up of a cloth. So we can say that all the shirts are cloth. Yes, because shirts are made with the help of cloth. So it is this Venn diagram says that all the shirts are cloth, but car don't have any kind of a relation with the cloth, or neither cloth nor shirts. Now come to the next type of Venn diagram. That is, here it is a different kind of a Venn diagram. Here it is mentioned that it the middle circle represents diamond ring, outer circle represents, this is the outer circle, and this outer circle represents only rings, and this the larger circle represents the ornaments. That means what? We can say that all the diamond rings are rings. Definitely, the specialty of a diamond ring that they are of made up of diamonds. That means they are a diamond ring, but uh, they are ring also. So all the diamond rings are basically a ring, and all the rings are ornaments. So that's why they will come inside the circle, and the bigger circle will be for ornament. Similarly, if this is another kind of a representation of a Venn diagram, this says that doctors, females and cardiologist. That means if these three circles are cutting to each other, that means some doctors are female also. See, this part will say that, and this part will also say something. That means what? This circle says that this circle belongs to all the doctors will come in this circle, and all the female will come in this part of a circle, and all the cardiologists will come in that this part of a circle. Now what does it means? That means it says that this part will say that some doctors are female also, because it is covering female part also, doctor part also, but also they are cardiologist also. And this part will says that some doctors are only cardiologists, but they are not female, because they are not covering this circle. Are you getting me or not? This it says that we can say that all the doctors are not female. Yeah, it's true. That means some doctors which are female also will represent, and they are which some doctors which are female also, but they are not cardiologist. They will came in this part of the circle, and some doctors which are female also, but also cardiologists. So they will come in this part, and some doctors who are not female but are cardiologists, they will come in this part. So this was the introduction part of chapter number 6. With the help of this kind of a Venn diagram, we'll solve the exercise of chapter number 6.